Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of something I got from Chanel. I am so excited. This thing has been sitting on my windowsill for about 2 months now. It's time, you guys. I keep thinking, oh my gosh, I wish I had unboxed it so that I could wear with this outfit and that outfit. So we got this item in the Chanel flagship store when we were in Tokyo. It was in the Ginza store. It was like 4 stories of many things, and we had such a lovely experience shopping there. The lady who helped us was very friendly, was very patient, and she gave us like a really nice VIP treatment. I think because the store is a flagship store, it came in like a very unique bag. I think the usual bags come in like just the black background with the Chanel in white, but this seems to be the white background, and it has the camellia right there, which is the signature Chanel flower. This piece, I had it in my wish list. Well, I wanted something from Chanel, not a bag or anything. It's a piece of accessory, and it's actually the first thing we got when we were in Tokyo. Like the first day, we didn't know where else to go, and we're like, okay, let's go to Ginza, and we bought this. I did want to get like an accessory from Chanel. I didn't know whether it was going to be a ring, or I know that the bracelets don't really fit me because my wrist is too big for Chanel, but it was either like a necklace, a brooch, or a ring. So this is how the item comes in, and this is the camellia here, which I shall pop off. The sticker on this is really sturdy. Okay, I'm actually collecting camellias at the moment, so I have 2 here. We did look at a lot of stuff. Like we looked at the rings. They were kind of like, okay, they're nice, but they were very like in your face Chanel, and I really like their brooches. I think their brooches are really fantastic. They're really pretty, but I don't really wear brooches, and I feel like it's also kind of in your face that you kind of look like you're just advertising. I feel like they should be paying me if I'm going to be wearing that brooch, and it's just not in my style. So even though I really liked the brooches I saw, I decided to get a necklace. So this is like how it comes in. It's got like its nice felt tip cover, and I haven't seen this. Oh my gosh, the felt tip is super luxurious. I feel like I need to keep it in here. And then we open it up. Ah, this is such luxurious packaging. Ooh. So that's the necklace. I've never bought a necklace from them before, but this is quite luxurious packaging. I almost feel like I would need to keep it in the box itself. It's like little buttons by the side as well to kind of put it in place, so that when you open it, you're like, so pretty. Chanel's really known for its pearl necklaces and very elaborate designs. I just felt like those didn't really suit my everyday style. I definitely got this for work, and I feel like those are just going to, I'm just not going to wear them. When I saw it, I was like, it looks interesting. I didn't love it at first, but when I tried it out, I'm like, okay, I really like this. So this is how the necklace looks like. It has like the very I think this is like the standard Chanel kind of twirly design. I've heard that they actually insert in those pieces of leather like by hand, so someone actually went through the trouble to do that. And then here, see, it's getting a little bit tangled. So there's, you go here, and then there's a little Chanel, tiny Chanel logo right there, and then it drops down like this. So the bottom part itself is very interesting. I haven't actually taken the time to really study it, but it does have the letters CHANEL. So when you put it together, you can see the Chanel there. So you've got CHANEL right there, and they have got little very nice things there. So it's got like a little camellia here, which is super cute, and then a little star with the Chanel logo right there, and then a perfume like their Chanel. I think this is like the number 5 perfume, lucky charm kind of thing here, and a little a little heart shape. So it was really pretty, and I saw it at first. I was kind of apprehensive about it, but then when I tried it on, I'm like, yeah, I like it. So let me try it on for you. Right, so I don't know if this is the best shirt to try it on. Maybe it is. Okay, I was worried that this shirt wouldn't show it, but I think it's perfect. So this is how it looks like on. It's so pretty. I really like it, and I just love that it doesn't scream Chanel, but it's kind of Chanel-esque, and it's not like super girly. I love that, you know, you can kind of see the letters, the different symbols that make what Chanel what it is, and that little tiny logo there, the way it just like stays there. It's so pretty. I could wear it like asymmetrical like this, or you could wear it this way as well. So it's really pretty. I think it's gorgeous. Let me see if I can pull. I think you can make it shorter. So that was how it was at the lengthiest, and then if you want to make it shorter, you can. It's the perfect length for me. I really like it. So I mean, the stuff is just gonna be placed where they are, and again, it just pulls down. I can't wait to wear this. So here's the thing. After we tried this on, and I really liked it. The price was about, I think I paid about 1,200 Sing or 1,400. It is pricey. Chanel costume jewelry is very pricey. It's not made up of like gold or anything, but you know, it's just the branding and, you know, the make of it that makes it expensive. So we were just in love with it, and then when we sat down, she was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And I'm like, why? What happened? And this was the last piece, and I didn't mind taking like the display piece, and she was like, oh, actually that's a belt. So let me get you the actual necklace version of it. So she brought out the necklace version. It was exactly like this, but it's just, instead of it being like tied up or linked like that, it just goes in like a really long loop. So when it's fully long, it would go all the way up here, and then when it's short, it was like here. So I did try that out, and she was super apologetic. You know, I just felt like this just suited me a lot more, even though it is a belt, but I think she was just worried that I didn't know that it was meant to be a belt. So after trying that on, I realized, you know what, I still like this one more. It's just because the other one, I don't know, it's just not as nice. This one, just the way that it sits and all that is just so perfect. So we got this still, even though it's a belt. So I don't think I would be able to I'm not even gonna dream that it's gonna fit me as a belt. It does this because it's supposed to like almost sit on your hip like that. So that's how it would look like, supposed to look like as a belt. But let me show you how it would fit around my waist. It doesn't even go around my freaking body. So yeah, I mean, I knew that it was a belt, but I still got it. And she said that, oh, you know, you could also, some people use it as a bag charm. So yeah, I could see how that works, and this Chanel piece will just kind of go there. So I thought it was, yeah, you know, it's very versatile. If anyone of my friends have a very tiny waist and they want to borrow this for a belt, why not? So yeah guys, that's the unboxing of my new Chanel piece. What do you guys think? Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any questions, as always, leave it as a comment in the section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.